G'day! In today's video I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the ASUS Tuf RX 7800 XT, and it is not said in that way. It is the Tuf-RX 7800 XT 16 gig gaming model. This one's a tri-fan card, as you can already tell by what's on the box. So let's open it up and see what else is in this particular box. Along the way I will pull out a small measuring tape and we'll do a quick few measurements on the card to get an idea on what it may or may not fit in. Where I'm definitely wanting to know what this may fit in, as I've got a relatively small case to put it in and I don't know if it's going to fit yet. Box itself does look pretty cool. Slight bevel to them. Yeah, you can just kind of feel them under your finger. No idea what this is in relation to. But a few little hieroglyphs here and there. Lifting it open. Plenty of padding. What do we see? We see one large GPU. Very large. I'll get that out in just a moment. What else do we have in here? We have a small little warranty pack, I'm assuming. What do we got? That is unusual. I'll get to that in a moment. Warranty. Graphics card stand. Quick start guide. And warranty card. Okay, let's throw them to the side. What is this little weird little trading card? Slightly holographic. Very weird but cool. And this, I don't know what this is meant to be for. How to use? I will check that out. Thank you card fold holder. Yeah, I'm failing at my English right there. It turns into a little stand for your phone. That is slightly different. It's slightly cool. Don't mind it. Don't mind it at all. Probably never use it. But whatever. That is kind of nice. What else have we got in here? We have a Velcro strap. More importantly, we have the GPU stand. Surely that loosens. Will it slide out? Yes. Also doubles as a screwdriver. It is also kind of neat. Tighten it up. Granted, and by the height of it, I'm not really putting this GPU in a full ATX case by the looks of it. This would be for a micro ATX. Mid tower. Anyway, that is also kind of cool. Certainly can't hurt, especially going by the size of this card. Let's proceed. As I said, going by the size of this card, we are quite massive. What have we got going on here? Nope, most of the stuff is facing this way. So, model number, performance mode, quiet mode, dual BIOS switch right here at the front. We take two 8 pins. That's pretty much expected. I didn't notice that. Granted, disappointingly. Remove protection before use. That is rather annoying. Granted, especially because if you do forget to take it out, you can't really get it out the other end. And that would be definitely robbing some performance right there. Bit odd, I'm assuming in the manufacturing time they put that in there. Granted, it's not really necessary now. We do have plenty of film and peel on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've also got it on the I/O shield here. Video out, we have 3 display ports and a HDMI. Fairly standard. Now I am curious. We go along here. What are we? Depending on which way you want to measure. We are about, well, go to the end of the tip up there. 330 centimeters. We go to the back of the I/O, we're 320 centimeters. In height, we're going to be to the bottom of the card. We are, where are we? 100 and, what am I, looking at the wrong unit of measurement right there. Go 145 millimeters or 14.5 centimeters. And here's probably the biggest thing that most people are wondering. How chunky are we? Here to here. We are 6 centimeters or 60 mil, depending on how you want to look at it. Going up to here. So we are relatively basically taking over a slot and a half, or a slot and a, so yeah, you may even lose the third slot potentially, or actually we will, going by the cooler. 1 slot, 2 slot, 3 slot here. So you will lose 3 slots to have this monster in. Granted though, this monster will be able to cool. Anyway, going by the size of it, the size of the cooler, heat dissipation should not be an issue with this card. The problem with this card probably will be heat extraction from your case due to this card, as it definitely has the cooling ability to keep itself cool, so that it will definitely do. Anyway, hope this helps you. And this was the ASUS Tuf RX 7800 XT. Bye.